Everyone in the class? Yeah, I can see you clearly. Can you hear me? Perfect. Are you ready? Okay, guys. Welcome to the class. First of all, it's good to see you all again. And to start, do you remember what we saw the last class? Yes. Okay, let me ask you a question. What can you do in a park? Okay, right. You can run in the park. Okay, and now you tell me what can you do in a restaurant? Okay, very good, guys. Yes, you can eat in a restaurant. Very good, guys. Now, is there a question about last class? Is everything clear? Okay. Now, I'm gonna ask you, what can you do with your feet? Hmm? You know where are your feet? Yes. Where are your feet? No, those are not your feet. Okay. Where are your feet? Yes. Those are your feet. Now, these are my feet. Okay. One foot, two feet. Exactly. And what can you do with it? Yes. Give me an example of what can you do with your feet. Yeah, very good. Now, I can walk. I can walk with my feet, or as your classmates say, I can run with my feet. Okay? Now, for example, what can you do with your arms? Yes, yes. Very good. I can swing with my arms. Excellent. What about you? What else can you do with your arms? Yeah? Alright. You can exercise with your arms. Very good. Now, what we're going to do today is we are going to learn more about parts of the body. As you can see in this diagram here, okay, I brought you this diagram about the parts of the body so we can learn more about what kind of actions we can express. Okay, how can we express an action with our senses? Now, who can tell me which is a sense? Yes. No. A sense. A sense is something, an action that we can do with some part of our body. Okay? The human beings have five senses. Okay? We are gonna see it in a moment. Okay? In the end of the lesson, after we review this diagram and the actions, you will create your own sentences expressing your actions. Is it clear? Very good. Okay. Any question? Yes, tell me. Um, yeah, you can do it in pairs. The, you can do it in pairs in the end, so you can review each other. There's no problem with that. Okay, if you want to do it alone, it's perfect. I'm gonna be around to answer your questions. Now, let's focus on these parts. As you can see, what is this? Who can tell me what is this? Okay, yes, this is my nose. Okay, repeat after me. Nose. Nose. Very good. Very good. Now, who can tell me what are these? What are these? Yes, eyes. Eyes. Very good. Now, who can tell me what is this? What is this? No, it is my tongue. Repeat after me. Tongue. Tongue. Very good, everyone. Now, what are these? Who can tell me what are these? Yes, very good. These are my hands. So, in my hands, what are each of these? What are each of these? Okay, who can tell me? Yes, fingers. Fingers. Actually, these fingers have different names, but today we're not focusing on that. We can review it later. Okay? Now, the last one. What are these? What are these here? Yes, these are my ears. Very good, everyone. Now, I'm gonna write on the board what kind of action, or yes, if if you can tell me, what can you do with your eyes? What can you do with your eyes? Very good. Yes, I can see with my eyes. Repeat after me. I can see with my eyes. Now, do you guys know what can you do with your nose? Mm, this is a hard one. Not everyone knows. Okay, I can smell with my nose. Smell. I can smell food. I can smell a soup. I can smell the air, for example, if you want to, or this smells bad, okay? It is an example. Now, what do you think you can do with your tongue? With your tongue? Eat. No, you cannot eat with your tongue. No. I can taste. Taste with my tongue. Repeat after me. Taste. Very good. I'm gonna start writing on the board. Now, who can tell me what can you do with your hands and fingers together? What can you do with your hands and fingers? Excellent. Not right. Not right. This is not a sense. Writing is not a sense. It is an action. A sense is part of the body, okay? Something that we can feel. For example, touch. I can touch with my fingers and with my hands. For example, I can touch the pen. I can touch the paper. I can touch my bottle. I can feel it. That's what I mean. Excellent. Now the last one. What can you do with your ears? Listen, yes, you can listen, but you can also hear. Listening is paying attention to something. Okay, here is general. I can hear your voices. I can see the cars. I can hear the train, for example. Okay, now is everything clear? Any doubts? No? Okay, now what can you do with your tongue? Very good. I can taste with me. Okay, now that everything is clear, let's move to the activity. Okay, guys?